How to install drivers on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to open Device Manager. Right click on the Start icon. Click on Device Manager. Once the window gets open, you need to ensure no yellow exclamation marks over any of the drivers. And now, the second method is you can install via Windows Update. For that, click on the search icon at bottom left and search for Settings. Open it. Go to Windows Updates. Now you need to check for updates. Optional updates also you can check, and then you need to simply check for the driver updates, and if there is any, you need to select and install. The third method to follow is simply you can manually install drivers. For that, again click the search icon and search for system information. Open it. Here you need to find the model and search for manufacturer website for drivers. If there is any, you need to click on download and install the drivers. Once done, for missing drivers you can easily right click on the device manager. Open it. And after that, you can easily right click on it. And then you can easily go to Properties and Hardware IDs. Google the ID to find and install the drivers. You can even use the third-party tools, but you need to use with caution, prefer manual or Windows Update installs. So in this way, you can easily install drivers on Windows 11 or 10. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.